Today at Battery Guyz Nation, we're installing a battery in a 2008 Ford Taurus. For this project, you want to begin with a 13mm socket with a long extension to take off the battery bracket that is folding down on the very in the front of this battery itself. So you want to use your 10mm socket and take off your negative terminal here on your post here. Then your next step is you want to remove your positive terminal. Just turn it clockwise until you feel it loosens up. Okay, once you get your battery back into your vehicle, you want to go ahead and get your battery bracket just brace back down. Just want to get it started with your fingers, a little hole on the side of the battery itself. Just kind of screw it in. Then you want to use your 8mm socket and tighten it up. If you're in need for a battery for another vehicle, please visit our website at batteryguyz.com and save yourself up to 50% with free shipping directly to your house. Also comes with a 2-year warranty as well, or a 1-year warranty. The next step is you want to go ahead and connect your positive terminal back onto that positive post right here. Just use your 10mm socket or wrench and tighten that bolt down. The next step, you want to go ahead and connect your negative terminal, also known as the ground, and use your 10mm socket or wrench and tighten up that bolt as well. This is exactly how you install a battery in a 2008 Ford Taurus. Thanks again for watching Battery Guyz Nation here.